That's what you're saying, but the interesting part is the Congress. You know, today Sanjay Jha, the AAP has written to the president asking that action be taken against Sheila Dikshit for alleged irregularities in granting permission to unauthorized colonies. How do you respond to that? Aam Aadmi party which you are supporting, is writing to the president asking for action to be taken against your chief minister. How do you respond to this kind of politics now? Are you worried?
Well, let me tell you, Rajdeep, in all frankness, one should congratulate the Congress party for having stuck to what it said when it supported the AAP party when they were given a chance to form the government. We said, because they had threatened actually to say we will take action against you, we said go ahead. I mean, if you have evidence and if you believe there are a process of judicial inquiry can reach a logical conclusion, so be it. But I think there are two irrefutable facts that are evident today based on what I've heard. Number one, that the AAP party is proving to be, so far at least, incompetent and incapable of running a government. We have given them an opportunity, but they are clearly making a hash of it. As far as the allegation against the BJP is concerned, let me tell you, if they have evidence, they should bring it out, because there are a lot of people who believe the BJP is so desperate for political power in Delhi that they will stoop to the lowest common denominator, including getting industrialists to influence or buy out the MLAs. Now, but they need to have evidence for it. So I think both the parties at the moment are going through their own internal crisis of credibility. One party which is desperate and the other which is incapable of governance.
Mr. Sanjay Jha, you've got a situation where the Aam Aadmi party is publicly saying that your two top leaders, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, are corrupt. They put them in a corruption list. Today they've gone and told the president, please investigate Sheila Dikshit in the context of granting licenses to unauthorized colonies. I want to know quite simply, is the Congress going to smile and come and say that, you know, the Aam Aadmi party is making a hash of things and continue to give it support, or are you going to pull the plug?
Well, you know, Rajdeep, you have covered the entire political episode of the Ram Leela in 2011 from the very beginning. You will know that Prashant Bhushan and team have an absolute, carte blanche, a license to go ahead and accuse whoever they like. I'm surprised they haven't included President Barack Obama in the list. Now, the accusations against Mrs. Gandhi, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, somebody rightly said, these are very news-grabby, temporary headline, but, you know, until and unless you really have a solid, tangible evidence, this is nothing but a desperate political stunt. Now, the fact remains that if today the MLA has gone to the extent of saying that he received a call, somebody came to his home and there was an attempt to, give a 20-30 crore bribe, then I think considering they have put a hotline to tell you how to do a sting operation, they should do it at home. They should tell their MLAs how to practice it. They would have perhaps had the biggest story in India's post-independence history.
I take the point, but I'm going to persist in asking you, is the Congress okay with what is happening in terms of the fact that you are allowing this government to continue? If you believe that the Aam Aadmi party is making a hash of things, if you really believe that, pull the plug on them then.
The principal point on which we supported them at the very beginning was that if there is a fresh election announced, it is likely to throw up another hung assembly. I have a feeling that, AAP party got our support. We have no ideological compatibility with the BJP anyway. So we supported the AAP party because they did win a lot at our expense. And if we believe that, well, if they have come so close to the margin, let Delhi have a semblance of a government that hopefully can perform. They have clearly been so far fairly disastrous. Now, there is hope that you improve. Political inexperience, political immaturity.
You are ready for your leaders to be defamed. You are ready for your leaders to be defamed in the process.
Rajdeep, our leaders are used to the BJP, to AAP party, to everybody making accusations against us day in and night out.
Okay.
I think the people of India truly are the ones who will exercise the verdict.
Okay.